Sure. Growing tomato plants from seeds at home can be rewarding experience. Here Sagan era outline of test EPS you can follow to start tomato plants from seeds. 1. Selecting seeds. Purchase high-quality tomatoes EEDs from reputables Archeo RSAV seeds. F. Roma ripe tomato makes Uri Ouch or C variety suitable for your climate and gardening conditions. 2. Gatherings applies you will needs EDS art in T racer containers a seed starting mix a spray bottle for watering unda warm sunny spoto or grow lights for germination. 3. Sowing seeds. Fill these ed trays, y the moistened seed starting mix. Plant these eds, according to oath packet instructions, usually about 1/4 inch deep lightly covert heasy eds, with SOI land water gently. 4. Germination placeth, seed tray sign a warm location ideally between 70-80 f21 to 27 C tomatoes usually germinate within 5-10 days, keep these oil moist, but not waterlogged. 5. Light and temperature. Once the seeds sprout move T.